Hi guys, it's Amanda with Getting There Green, and I'm back in the kitchen, and I just want to show you guys how to use up some of your cucumbers. If you're like me, you have a lot of cucumbers right now. Refrigerator pickles. It's super easy. I made some earlier in the season, and I've taken them to like potlucks and people's houses just for dinner or whatever, and they've gone over really well. Raving. I love them. They're very sweet. They're more like a bread and butter pickle than a dill pickle, and but they're really good and so easy to make. So the actual like recipe will be down below with all the like measurements and everything, but here's how I make it. Okay, all the ingredients are cucumbers, a bell pepper, an onion, sugar, salt, and vinegar. That's it. Here we go. First thing, I need to slice up cucumbers. I need approximately 5 cups of cucumbers, and I slice them about 1/4 of an inch thick, and I'll be putting them in my measuring cup and then into a bowl as I go. Next, green bell pepper on the chopping block. You need about a cup of bell pepper. I just take 1 bell pepper and slice it up thin slices. Now it's time to slice up an onion. Add that to your bowl of cucumbers and peppers. Cucumbers, peppers, onions. Put it in a bowl and mix it all up. In a medium saucepan, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of vinegar, and a tablespoon of salt. Boil over medium heat until all the sugar has dissolved. Pour your vinegar and sugar and salt mixture over top of your cucumbers, pepper, and onions. Let that just kind of sit there for a few minutes. Okay, this is the hard part. We need to get the cucumber mixture from the bowl into the jars. From the bowl into the jars. It's a lot harder than it looks. And then be sure you pour all your brine into your jars. Alright, finally, clean the rims of your jars as always. Lids on. This isn't truly canning, it's just going in the fridge, so this having a perfect canning process is not necessary. We aren't keeping these for the next 6 months. After getting those lids on, I like to write the date on the jars, and then they go into the fridge. Put them in the fridge. I would suggest 4 days in the fridge before you open and eat them. You can do earlier, but that's my suggestion. 4 days, let that flavor really sink in. Then go ahead, enjoy. Easy as that. So much easier than regular canning, and makes a small batch. Uses up the cucumbers I just picked today. Awesome. Alright guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll do more gardening videos, maybe some cooking videos down the line. Comment below if you have any tips for what to do with your cucumbers, especially if it's pickle related. And you can head on over to facebook.com/gettingtheregreen if you want to chit chat some more. Okay, bye bye.